My name is William Goss. I'm the executive chef here at Agave Kitchen in Hudson, Wisconsin. First and foremost, we want the restaurant to be comfortable for people. You want it to be clean. We run 2 deep fryers. We have an oven. We got the flat top and the grill. So, we do create quite a bit of grease. The area that would surprise you the most in this kitchen is the stainless steel ceiling. It might look clean, and then you take and wipe it, and you'll be like, oh wow, there's a nice layer of brown on my towel. You got your refrigeration, so it's got the intake that cools everything for the compressor, because it's sucking air all the time. You don't know how many times you get someone coming in and try to sell you some chemicals or something for cleaning. Oh, this is going to make your life easier. I'm willing to try anything, but I don't think it's going to work until I see it. 3M came in, so I was like, okay, we'll give it a whirl, see what happens. And it works. It's so much easier with the wipes because it's a daily wipe down, and it just keeps repelling the grease and makes it easier. Because you can see you have less residue every day because the Scotchgard is going to repel that grease, so you don't have as much buildup. And it gets faster because the cleaning's easier every day. Where it used to take 30 minutes to clean the oven, 10, 15 tops right now. Because it's a wipe, you don't have to spray, you can just keep going. We'd use Degreaser for my food service company, and sometimes you get the stuff that's super caustic. So then you got to worry about chemical burns. Because it's a wipe, you don't have to put the protection on, you don't have to get 100 towels out, and it saves money. I buy a lot less gloves than I used to. You can get behind handles like this, and the nooks and crannies are easier to clean. And when you make things easier to clean, and give guys the best tools to clean, they tend to do a better job cleaning because it's not such a task. They're more productive, so I can get more stuff done.